We are on the Norwegian Escape, deck 11 forward. We are going to find our way to room 11,435. You will need to go to the left of the stairs, going to the port side of the ship. Then we will take a right down the hallway. You will pass the studio lounge entrance. I decided to make this video, as I thought getting to the room was a bit odd. The first hallway after the studio lounge is where we need to turn, as you can see here. We have one more turn here to make, and the room is at the end on the right.